Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate green dot step by step clearly. To activate your green dot card, start by locating your card. Make sure you have your card in hand before proceeding. Next, visit the official green dot website. If you prefer to use your smartphone, open the green dot mobile app instead. Look for the option that says Activate Card on the homepage. Click or tap on that option to proceed. You will now be prompted to enter your card number. Carefully type in the 16-digit number on the front of your green dot card. Next, enter the security code, which is the 3-digit number on the back of your card. Follow that by providing the required personal information, including your name and address. Once you've filled out all the details, review your information for accuracy. When you're ready, click or tap on the Submit button. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your card has been activated successfully. If you encounter any issues, check the information you entered for mistakes. Alternatively, you can activate your card by calling the customer service number on the back of your card. Stay on the line to follow the automated instructions to complete the activation. Your green dot card is now ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.